Have you ever wondered how the world's biggest companies climbed from one level of wealth to another, step by step, until they became unstoppable billionaire empires? The journey begins in a futuristic luxury city, where the first glowing platform appears in the darkness, a massive company logo floating above it, surrounded by cinematic lights and luxury machines, showing the beginning of a financial empire. Then suddenly, the platform rises higher, the lights become brighter, the atmosphere becomes richer, the city below starts looking smaller, while the company's success becomes larger. Another logo appears above the next glowing stage, more powerful, more luxurious.
Ferrari enters the billionaire ladder with a glowing luxury stage surrounded by red neon reflections and drifting supercars, creating an atmosphere of pure wealth and power. Then Lamborghini rises even higher, brighter lights, stronger cinematic energy, exotic hypercars moving through golden smoke, while the empire expands upward. Tesla transforms the entire skyline into a futuristic electric world. White neon energy fills the city, giant digital towers glow in the background, and the staircase climbs higher into the future. Bugatti appears in a dark luxury atmosphere, cinematic shadows, glowing gold reflections, and a billionaire empire built like a royal kingdom of speed and money. Rolls-Royce changes the scene completely. Marble floors, royal lighting, luxury palace energy, showing a level of wealth that feels untouchable. Porsche arrives.
Audi follows with sharp, futuristic lighting, powerful business visuals, and luxury performance machines moving through a billionaire skyline. McLaren explodes into the scene with orange neon lights, cinematic smoke, futuristic racing energy, and an empire built for speed and power. Bentley creates an atmosphere of royal billionaire luxury, gold reflections covering the city while giant glowing stages rise toward the clouds. Aston Martin enters with elegant cinematic shadows, luxury sports cars, and a billionaire empire that feels mysterious and unstoppable. Koenigsegg transforms the skyline into a hyper-futuristic world, floating stages in the clouds, neon reflections, and unimaginable wealth visuals. Pagani creates a masterpiece of luxury and art, futuristic tunnels opening into glowing financial staircases surrounded by cinematic gold particles.
Then the global giants begin to appear. Ford builds a massive industrial empire. Powerful machines, giant metallic stages, and cinematic city domination. Toyota rises through a futuristic megacity, creating one of the largest financial empires the world has ever seen. Hyundai transforms the skyline with blue and gold futuristic lights, luxury SUVs, cinematic reflections, and unstoppable business growth. Apple enters like a futuristic technology kingdom, glowing white platforms floating in the clouds, while digital luxury surrounds the empire. Amazon creates a giant global network of futuristic warehouses and glowing billionaire stages stretching across the skyline.
Google transforms the city into a colorful AI universe. Neon reflections, futuristic intelligence, and unlimited financial power. Microsoft rises with massive futuristic towers, glowing technology worlds, and cinematic billionaire dominance. Nvidia turns the empire into a green AI-powered future, digital energy flowing through every skyscraper and platform. Meta creates a futuristic metaverse skyline, holographic worlds, glowing digital staircases, and virtual billionaire domination. SpaceX launches the entire empire beyond Earth itself. Giant rockets, glowing galaxies, and financial staircases rising into space. And finally, the future itself appears. OpenAI enters a glowing digital civilization, futuristic AI clouds, holographic intelligence, and cinematic billionaire energy unlike anything seen before. The staircase keeps rising higher, platform after platform, logo after logo, empire after empire, until the entire skyline becomes a glowing monument